Oriwo ye o, Akika, Oricha Femi o, Lizzy Cantale number one. Yeah.
Activated.
Walk God out, join together. Let no man put us under. Walk God out, join together. Let no man put us under. Lizzy Cantale number one. And love is a beautiful thing.
Flip side, we
ìgbéyàwó ó gba gúdúgúdú méje. A ṣe gúdúgúdú méje. Ẹni bá máa ṣe ìgbéyàwó a ṣe gúdúgúdú méje o. Nítorí ìgbéyàwó ó gba gúdúgúdú méje o. Ọkọ ìyàwó tọ́jú aya rẹ̀. Ṣorí wọ́n ìyàwó fọ́tọ̀kọ rẹ̀. Oúnjẹ lásìkò, ọmọ lásìkò, bóyá ọṣọ lásìkò, fún ní kíní tí bí yẹn lásìkò. Ohun tá gbé sílẹ̀ lọ́mọ ẹ̀rọ ń gbé. Orúkọ tá bá sọmọ lọ́mọ ajẹ́. Tí yóò bímọ àbímọ, gbogbo wa la ṣe máa gbọ́mọ jó. Ṣe jẹ́jẹ́, ṣe jẹ́jẹ́, dákun ṣe jẹ́jẹ́, ọkọ ìyàwó ṣe jẹ́jẹ́. Ṣé ìwọ ìyàwó ṣe jẹ́jẹ́, ọmọ ń bọ̀ ṣe jẹ́jẹ́, ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ o. Torí ẹni bá máa ṣègbéyàwó á ṣe gúdúgúdú méje. Ìgbéyàwó ó gba gúdúgúdú méje. Ẹni bá máa ṣègbéyàwó á ṣe gúdúgúdú méje o.
To the newlyweds, I say congratulations. We are all here and we are happy to celebrate with you. Marriage, we all say, is about love, but I usually beg to differ. Marriage is about tolerance, tolerating each other, tolerating each other's excesses in good and in bad. And once you can do that, you will have a very successful marriage. So my advice to the newlyweds is to learn to tolerate each other. Be patient with each other. You are going to have your disagreements, you are going to have your quarrels, but we pray that you have more joyful moments than you have sad moments.
Oriwo ye o, Akika, Oricha Femi o, Lizzy Cantale number one. Yeah.
activated.
Every night and day I just dey give a lot of thanks and praises to my teacher. Nígbà táwọn tá fẹ́ borí mi níbi yóò gbé mi ga o. Àti gbàkìlọ̀ ká tó gbé ẹnu orí yọ kó ṣọpẹ́. Èmi ti bá wọn jìyà kí n tún débi. Ẹ dákẹ́ bá mi gbé gbọ̀pẹ́. Shake your body up. It's not the time to dance, no be time to the best.
Husband and wife coming together as husband and wife is not an easy thing. Wedding is not a bed full of roses. There will be up and down. But we prayed for God's guidance, God's love, to keep on making their love bright and bright and bright, to make their love what people can see and emulate. And that's what we pray for.
But a lot of it is about patience. They have to be patient with each other. They have to learn to tolerate each other, both in good and in bad. And when you can do that, when you can tolerate somebody's excesses and they are good, you'll be able to live with them.
Of this life, this is one thing we all pray for, and I'm so happy for him. You know, this is one decision that is not just easy to make. You know, so I'm out here tonight, today, to celebrate Oricha Femi and his beautiful wife, and to have fun as well.
I just wish them, you know, blessing upon blessing upon blessing.